the hell did you kill my associates?
You brought me in to take care of business. Well, that's how I take care of business. Straight to the point now. Sharing. 50-50.
70-30. That is what it is, and that is what it will remain.
Well, the deal has changed. Stakes are high now. So I say 50-50.
I smell the greed, but that is not going to happen. I brought the deal. So 70-30 it is.
Well, I pulled the fucking trigger. So I say 50-50.
70-30.
Delilah, I'm a ruthless businessman. I do not joke with my money. I will do whatever it takes to protect my interests. You have no fucking idea how this game is played. Sit back, relax, and let me teach you, woman. I'm a dawn in this game, a kingmaker, a master strategist. I'm a force of nature, born for greatness. My time is now.
Nebubagu na-echago mana ọdụm na-egbu agụ na ruru chụpụrụ ọdụm n'ụlọ na agụ ga-amụta agụ ọdụm ga-amụta ọdụm na agwọ ga-amụta agwọ na agwọ niile ji wee bụrụ agwọ ma na-enwere eke nwe ọfịa na kwa ọkụkụ tiwa aka ifere abụrụ nke nkume na asị na agụ ya ụzọ agụ ya ọnụ na-elewe agadi nwaanyị anya n'ọnụ ọ dịka ọ na o ji ya wee ṅụọ ala mana agadi nwaanyị adị aka nka na-egwu ọma agba na-acha afụrụ adị aka ọ na-akpa nwa dibịa alụsị ebu n'aka ọ na-aba mbasị dọbịa na na-ewedobịa mpịtị mpi wee kwe nkịtị nkịtị n'azụ n'ahịa ude na ntanta mmiri na-atakpa n'anya ode n'Igbo mberede nyiri dike mana mberede ka eji ama dike anya kala ka dị eri ngwụrọ open your hand. Eke, Orie, Afọ na Nkwọ. Eke, Orie, Afọ na Nkwọ. Na asị n'ilo na asị na-egwu a n'ọfọ n'oge nwere mkpochi. Turn your back hand. Inu ụdị egbe ịma na ya apụgo maka na ofu mgbọrọgwụ ka dije ji aka ibe ya. Eke, Orie, Afọ na Nkwọ. It is finished.
Thank you.
Oke mmanwụ na-eti onwe ya. Na onye si na ọ bụrụ ome gịnị? Na onye si na ọ bụrụ ome gịnị?
What's up, Blade? It seems you had a bad dream.
Mama. Where is she?
Who?
I need to see her right now.
See who? Blade. Blade, tell me what's up now. See who?
Who is there?
It's me, Blade.
Come right in. What's the urgency, please?
Your life is in danger.
What's going on? What's up, Blaze? Speak!
Mama, Marcus is planning to take you down. He wants you dead. Yes, I have sent the signs. You have to act fast before it is too late.
You wear the cloak of jealousy so beautifully well played. I understand you're angry because I made him my right-hand man instead of you. But come on, let's be real. Marcus is more resourceful. He's smarter. Why don't you focus on your own strength?
Mama, this is not about jealousy. I am scared about your safety. You have to do something before it is...
Please! Enough. Marcus has my permission to be out. He went to visit his family. Let him breathe. Oh, speak of the devil. He just drove into the premises. I can see him from my system. Now back to your room. Give me some privacy.
What, Mama?
I said back to your room. A woman needs to be a woman right now. Back to your room.
My darling. Pardon me.
It's okay, baby.
Pardon me, I had a lot of things to handle. My family didn't want me to leave. But now I'm here.
It's okay. I can relate. Family can be overwhelming sometimes, right? But here you are. So long as you come home to me at the end of the day, that is all that matters.
I am here to take ownership of all your assets.
Yeah.
You will hand over your empire to me. Is that clear?
Your wish is my command, baby.
Good. You're doing well. Tomorrow morning you call your lawyer. Tell him you want to change ownership of all your assets, all your property, everything that belongs to you. The name will be changed to mine. Clear?
Your wish is my command, baby.
Good. Then you call your gang. Tell them I'm the new CEO of your empire. Clear?
Understood, baby.
Good. You will also tell them you'll be traveling. You're going abroad till further notice. Clear?
Anything you want, baby.
Good.
Your wish is my command. Baby. Anything else? Odogum. Okay. I am embarking on a crucial journey to the United States to further my knowledge and expertise. And as the saying goes, a kingdom without a king would definitely fall into disarray. The throne cannot remain vacant. So I have made a deliberate decision to appoint the most capable individual to oversee my empire. And who else but the most strategic, intelligent, smartest in the building. Give a warm welcome and applause for the new CEO. Clap, come on, why are we all so quiet? He is the love of my life and my partner in every step of the way. Okay, Tobugom. Please, I entrust you all to accord him with the same respect that you will accord your leader. As you all know, he is the mastermind behind our success. I mean, all our tremendous successes. He is the mastermind behind it all. Okay? Let's go, baby.
I don't understand how Mama go carry her empire, give a man just like that. Empire where she fought so hard for. Where she sacrificed too much. What is that self?
But you know say, me and you know say Marcus they work hard. Now so we see him now. And Mama trust him. Now make you come be saying that him be the only person where him fit hand over an empire because he know say in the deliver. So what's in again in the talk?
No. What did the first thing be say? Marcus hold some hold on Mama. What did she do with married man? This married man still know they set away from you. I don't understand. Let me say the guy to a fine sharp, but you know what
Nah jealousy na ain't go by you. Yes nah. See me and you know say Marcus handsome. And the guy they attractive. Leave that way they talk. Leave him. And I hear say the guy sabi perform well for bed. And I waiting Mama see. So now I make him now. And the people like say na love. Oh. People like say the two love themselves. I don't know.
I don't want to talk much. I don't want to talk much. I'll make you no try mess up in Mama. Because if you try him, I go show him why they call me snake. If I strike, my venom no get antidote.
Calm down. What's it? Calm down. See, we could wait first. Yeah? If it be say Marcus go surprise us so. But if that guy try to do anyhow, we go take him down. Yeah? So make that one no disturb you, may no worry you. Leave him. If you do anyhow, we go take him down. I beg you. Change that channel for me, make I watch television. You know they hear me change channel.
I know they do that beg. You can change them now. Carry the remote to do whatever you want to do. Person the verse they tell me make I change channel. For waiting. I be your maid. I be the Chris.
Snack.
I be come on here.
Honey, why are you stopping? This is not the airport. Honey? Odogum.
Yes. Why are you running to? Any problem? Why are you running?
You have a message in your phone.
Precious, go in and stay with your siblings.
But I was playing snake game on your phone.
I know. Once I'm done with what I'm doing with the phone, I'll give it back to you. Come on, smile for mommy. Marcus, where have you been since morning? You left this house very early in the morning, leaving us in this house without food. The children have been starving all day. No food.
This is what I have. Something for you to eat.
Hey! Marcus! Bread! This money! What kind of a man is this? Where did I know him from? Why is he frustrating my life? If I talk now, they will say, Charity, I've said it all. Charity is insulting her husband. Charity is disrespecting her husband. Since morning, is it this bread that the 3 children will eat in this house? What kind of problem is this? Hi!
Daddy, I'm hungry. Daddy, is everything okay?
What are you two still doing? What are you doing? Yeah, go to your room and sleep. Start looking. My husband, are we going to continue like this? For how long? Listen, I know you've been trying, but try harder. We can't continue like this. Go out there and do whatsoever your mates are doing. Yes. Be it legal or illegal, do it. Do it. See, it's for our good. I am behind you. As your wife, I'll support you. I will always support you. My husband, please, do something. Take us out of this poverty. Look at us. You can't keep being like this and be thinking every day and night. Go out there and also, your mate are still doing the same thing now.
How is David?
There's no improvement. He's been like this since morning.
Hey.
I think it's an appendix.
Yeah? Is it that serious?
I think we should take him to the hospital.
Hey.
For proper diagnosis.
Hey. I don't have 1 naira.
Hey!
I don't have a dime.
So what do we do? What do we do?
It's okay. Let us go to the hospital. When I get there, I'll beg them to see what I can do. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. What a useless man. He abandoned all responsibility, leaving me to carry the burden alone. He claims to be the father of my children, but what has he truly contributed to their lives? Let him come tomorrow and boast of my children and see my worst sight. But then again, who has been sending me 500,000 naira every month? For the past 6 months, it is if I'm on a payroll, despite doing no work. Could this be a blessing from above? Has God sent an angel to bless me after hearing my cries? I need to investigate the sender. Who could be behind this mysterious kindness?
How you dey play now? Are we all having fun?
Mama,
Yes,
Mama.
Mama.
Set his choke.
I see. Enjoy yourself. Sit down. I call this urgent meeting to introduce a new associate. Meet Don Marcos, the grand leader of the Don Marcos group. He was an old classmate, a friend, and a business associate. Very intelligent, very resourceful. But today I'm introducing him because he's no longer a business associate. He's now my right-hand man.
Mama, is this coming out from you? Are you sure about this? I mean, why are you giving him my position? You cannot trust a stranger with our operation. He needs a background check. I mean, you can't do this to me.
Silence! Who gave you the permission to question my decisions? How dare you, Blade? Who gave you the right? I am still Delilah, your commander and the leader of the lavish empire, and my word is final. You will accord to him the respect that he deserves. Understood? Understood, Blade?
Yes, ma'am.
Blade, let me hear your voice. Understood?
Yes, Mama. I am with you.
Marcos? Meet my dad. You're welcome to the lavish empire.
As you all know, I am the leader of this syndicate now. I remain 100% committed to the growth and progress of this syndicate. You all do not know me, but from this moment, you will know me. I'm a ruthless man. Extremely ruthless. I do not joke with my business. If you question my leadership, I will shoot you in the head. You go against this syndicate, I will shoot you in the head. From this moment, to prove to you all that I can also be benevolent, I shall increase your salaries. All of you. Also, from this moment, no more getting high on our supply. If I catch anyone doing that, I will shoot you in the head. I have laid down strategies that I believe that if well implemented, will make this syndicate stronger and bigger, and of course, make us 1,000 times richer than all of us are right now. To expand our operations, we need to establish various businesses locally where our new members can operate and facilitate our drug transactions. Buyers will identify themselves with our secret code, the blue card. This will ensure a smooth and secure exchange. With this technique, our business will expand rapidly, attracting a large customer base. The concealment method will make it challenging for authorities to detect our operations, ensuring our success and security. With this strategy, we aim to create employment opportunities for our youths who are struggling amidst the challenging economy, as the government appears to have abandoned its citizens. With these strategies, we shall dominate the competition and maintain our top position in the market, thereby making us the richest drug syndicate in this country. We're going to spread like a virus, establishing our presence wherever we go. We shall be open for business at any location, anytime. These are tough times now. But as the saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. We are the tough ones. We will keep going, and we shall definitely remain on top.
Don't you think that your approach makes our empire vulnerable? I mean, involving locals could attract unwanted attention and could put our operation at risk if they get caught. Think about it.
Blade, are you asking this question out of genuine concern for our syndicates? Or do you just want to question my leadership?
I will do anything within my power to protect this empire. If Mama were to be here, she will see the merit of my words!
Oh my goodness! My leg. My leg.
Speak to me in that manner one more time. I will shoot you in the head. Now you look at me, Blade. Look at me. Are you with me? Or are you against me?
I am with you, boss.
Does anyone else want to question my leadership?
No, boss.
Can't hear you.
No, boss.
Good. We keep it that way. We shall continue to make progress. And soon this syndicate will be the biggest in West Africa. You can leave. Yeah. Confirm. Yes, the package has arrived. It came in 4 days ago. Correct. Thank you for the update.
Between feeling grateful and anxious. On one hand, receiving a monthly stipend sounds so appealing. But on the other hand, I'm worried. I'm worried it might land me in a precarious situation if I should be on your shoes. Yes. With all the scam and fraud around, it's possible they could use me as a pawn to cover their tracks. Yes.
Amaka, I admit the fact that I desperately need money to support my family. But I'm not sure if it's worth the risk.
In that case, we need to investigate the sender. Yes, we need to.
But I told you it's from the POS, but there is no clear lead.
Exactly. That's why we need to track the sender. Yes. The POS might be our only help to uncover the real benefactor. Hey?
You're making a point here. Yes, in that case, we need to use the POS terminal address.
Exactly my point. Yes.
From my research, Mr. Williams works for one of the strongest syndicates, drug syndicates in Malaysia. He escaped to Nigeria after the syndicate was exposed and dismantled by law enforcement agents. I also learned he has a weakness for women, beautiful women. He will stop at nothing to have one every night. He doesn't keep his money in the bank to avoid being traced. He travels a lot, so he travels with hard currency. Snake.
Yes, boss.
This is where you come in. I'll send his address to you.
Okay, boss.
Seduce him. Fuck his brains out. But do not get carried away.
Okay, boss.
Bring all his money to me. Claire?
Clear, sir.
Claire?
Yes, boss.
We all work together. I trust you.
What am I getting there now? I think this will be better.
I'm confused about Marcus' new decision. We are drug dealers, not armed robbers. I don't understand what he's trying to achieve.
My dear, I don't know how this dress is going to look on my body. Hope it will be sexy.
Snake, have you not been listening to me? I don't understand who is talking about dress.
What do you expect me to do? Huh? Okay, do you want me to disobey him? Hell no. The last time Blaze disobeyed him, he got a shot. I don't want that for myself.
No. We need to talk to him. He should have consulted us before taking any decision. Things are not done that way, please. What's this?
My dear, let's focus on the benefit. Not the other way around. The most important thing is that our fee has increased. Whether robbery or drug dealing, it's still the same thing.
Really?
Of course. My dear, Lamona, they find you.
Okay.
Anything will go bring money. My dear, I'm ready.
If you say so.
Big long story. How do you see the dress?
I don't understand, please. Leave me.
Blade, what is the meaning of this? I mean, why will Marcus be making decisions without telling us? Or does he want to expose our empire to other crimes? What's the meaning of this? It's not even as if he has the capacity to protect us.
Run now.
Now maybe run now when they run everything normally.
See, calm down. I don't think it's wise for you to judge Marcus. Yes, he is our leader and he knows what he is doing. Please do not be reckless with your speech.
Blade, are you the cap like this? Are you for real?
I'm for real. Just be careful.
Snake is calling. Hello, bad, no bad. What's up now? Who said, give me updates? Okay, I go lap you just now. Snake just called me. She said I should meet her up.
Hi, babe.
Who is your baby? Who is your baby? I ask you. Who is your baby? How many times I don't tell you something you know that disobey me again? You have to keep doing it.
Calm down. People are watching. Can we talk about it calmly?
People are watching. Who cares if people are watching? Eh? Who cares if people are watching? What do they feel like? You be Toto Diki, you be Omotola. Eh? Me went fresh, set is choke, money day. Babe, when I want carry, I feel carry on. Girl, when I want day with. I feel day with her normally. You will be a shower when I dey manage.
What?
Prostitute like you when I dey manage. Eh?
Oga, normally I be fine girl. Full option. But that's not the point. The point is that you're overreacting. Can we talk about it calmly?
Your father left Nash. Now me say they overreact. After disobey me, you expect me to keep calm. Now me they speak English for. If I slap you, you'll get people for face. Oh.
But I told you the traffic was terrible. Can you just calm down? Calm down!
Are you mad? Are you stupid? At the talk, you dey talk. Eh? At the talk, you dey. I go seize your wig, oh. I go seize your wig.
How dare you slap me?
My protector.
Okay. That seems so harsh.
Rodham, I hear you accompanied her.
Trust me, boss. Everything went well smoothly.
Good job. Oh, good. Now listen, I need you to book another room immediately. Yes, we cannot risk seeing both of you coming out with the money together. They have security everywhere, you need to be careful. Book another room so you stay in separate rooms and then you operate from there, okay? Avoid surveillance cameras, is that clear?
Trust me, boss. Now me be run now. I go run now. As usual. I will handle everything as usual.
Good.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Maybe come in.
Thank
Come
you.
in, pretty queen. Come in, you're welcome. Okay, sit, you're safe. Okay? Such a beautiful woman like you. Doesn't supposed to be treated like that. Eh? Such humiliation must have been unbearable. You're fine, right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Very good. How are you?
Thank you so much, Chief.
You're welcome.
Thank you for making me feel valued. Thanks for everything you did today.
It's okay.
I honestly appreciate. Thank you. Have a seat.
Thank you.
That's what.
Come in.
Good evening. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Let me serve you.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. So, how are you doing?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Let me take this cup.
Oh.
Excuse me.
What is going on? It's getting late.
Boss, so everything dey under control. As a matter of fact, we have discovered where he hides all his money.
Good. Take everything. Back all the money there. Do not leave a dime.
Everything is intact, sir.
Good. You're doing well. Now listen. Take your time, all right? Calm down. Check the whole place. Check for property documents. Any document of a company, house, hotel, anything. Clear everything. Pack all his jewelries. Everything valuable. Gold, diamond, anything. Pack all of them. Once you're done with that, kill him.
Kill?
Are you mad? Are you questioning me? Once I give an order, you obey it. Strangle the man to death and leave no trace.
Alright, boss. Now maybe run now. I go run now.
Hey, Chris. No run am now. Make I run you. Motherfucker.
Stand up.
Let's go.
In your next life, you will know how to mind your business. Let's go.
Good job, guys. Good job. I am proud of you. Oh my God, look at all that money. God damn it. Snake.
Sir.
How was it?
It was nice. Thank you so much. Thanks for the compliment. I mean, they call me Snake because I can bloody take crowd, draw attention, and strike when least expected.
I like that. Here's for you.
Oh my goodness! Thank you so much. I'm happy you're happy.
Wonderful job.
Oh my goodness.
Correct. Ronam.
Bossu.
Ronam, Abi.
I double Ronam.
You did well. I gave you an instruction and you carried it out perfectly. Good job.
Bossu, who am I to say no? Bossu, na me be Ronam. Normally I dey deliver. But you see that your idea of we lodging with him in the same hotel. But so that idea no get meat. It work perfectly.
Right.
The idea busts my brain.
I like that. Run up. Yes, for you.
Gang.
Shiba, how was it?
Boss, very well, sir. Thank you, boss.
Confirm. Blade. What do you think?
Well, they did well. Wonderful.
Good. Yes, for you. Wow. Good job, guys. Good job. Trust me, there will be more to come. Huh?
Okay,
More
boss.
jobs, more successes. And of course, I'll always increase your money once jobs keep coming like this and you're executing them very well. You have so much to drink. Enjoy yourselves. Okay?
Thank you so much,
boss. Bossu.
Check me now. Check me with dollar. Check me with dollar. You are to do.
I kill him now.
Let's pop champagne. Time to celebrate. No time to check time.
Blade, give me
If time there no space. That's
Where's the
run
lighter?
Where's space?
Run now.
Where's space? No,
Run the drink for me.
Run now. When you run everything. Now what for you?
Oh my God, I love money.
Aso sir. Báwo ni? Mo wà sir. Where are the results? I have been right here, sir. The first picture here is Delilah, a former Dubai sex worker who joined the syndicate. She relocated back to Nigeria to start her own operation. And with the help of her old school friend Marcus, she has achieved great heights and success. And I think they're romantically involved.
So, this is Marcus you are referring to?
Yes, sir. Marcus brought Delilah empires to unprecedented heights. But the sudden disappearance has left many questions unanswered. Since the last time she went on a business trip to the United States, we don't have a trace of her, and Marcus, on the other hand, has been excelling with the operation.
Bravo! Marcus must be a genius. I have been away from town, and now I am back from the prison. You will go out there to tell the syndicate that I am back. I run the city. They have to comply. Failure to do so, they know the consequences.
Yes, sir. I will let them know you are back in town and ready to assist.
One more thing. As a retired kingpin, I expect a regular remittance in my accounts. I will spread my influence down to the governor to ensure regular remittance. Anyone who defaults or who fails to comply, I will make sure I frustrate the business of such a person. You will go out there to investigate about Marcus' family. I want you to go and find out if he has family, if he has wife, if he have children. You have to do that. It's very important.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
You may leave.
Sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Marcus. No, I run the city.
Good afternoon.
You want to withdraw transfer?
Oh, have a problem, eh? I've been receiving a lot of 500,000 every month for the past 6 months, and I don't know who is sending the money. These are the reviews of the transaction I've been receiving.
Are you sure it's here? I'm trying to process it to see. No, I have lots of customers that come here for transaction on a daily basis. So I can't really picture this particular person that is sending you this money. But I would advise you drop me your contact information.
Yes, but at least you check your machine now, like the serial number.
Drop your number first. Drop your number first.
Don't worry, when the person come next time. I have lots of customers that come here. I can't really tell this particular person. 500,000, not only one person that do pay 500,000.
Please call us. So.
Call us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Let's look for another PO. Let's go this side.
Hey, good afternoon, sir.
Under no circumstance should you reveal my identity to her. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. But, sir, I don't disclose my customer identity to anybody.
Good.
So, no transaction today.
I intend to send her some more money, but some other time.
Sir, I can transfer to any other person.
Later.
Who are you?
I just saw you walking away from the POS stand.
Eh? I don't understand what you're saying. Who are you? How did you get my number?
When you are ready to satisfy your curiosity, call this number.
Hello?
Did he hang up?
Yes, he did. And I don't know this person. I didn't give him my number. I can remember the only person I gave my number to was the last POS girl in front of that supermarket.
That means she has some answers for us. Yes. But Charity, I won't lie to you. I don't feel right about this whole thing. Yes. Maybe we should involve the police.
Eh? The police what? How? Please, oh. You know I've been using this money for the past months. And you want me to involve the police? You want us to get into trouble? I can't risk it.
Myself, I don't want to risk it. But I believe they will understand us if we explain the situation.
Explain what?
The situation.
Which explanation? I am not explaining to anybody. I need to see that person that just called me now.
Are you sure it's a wise decision? What if it could be a trap?
It's not a trap anything. Even if it's a trap, let it be a trap. I need to see this person. In fact, let me call him.
Charity, no need. Let's just go to our hotel and rest. I'm tired.
Hello?
Though. Let's go and rest.
Who's this?
The genius. I have heard about your exceptional talents and business strategies. What marvels me most is how you handled Delilah Empire after her disappearance. Now tell me, are you responsible for Delilah's disappearance?
Who the hell are you?
I am a kingpin in the drug business. You're a small boy that needs I want to propose a business to you. And I expect that at the end of the day, the profit will be given to me. By so doing, I will ensure there is peace in this our small world.
Are you threatening me? Listen to me, motherfucker. I fear no one. Nobody threatens me. You want to fight me, go ahead and fight me. Bring it on. But I assure you, whoever you are, wherever you are, I will find you. And when I find you, I will take you down. And I'll not stop there. I'll make sure I take down everybody close to you. So bring it on, motherfucker.
He hung the call on me? I like his spirit. This is interesting. Now that I have Marcus in a vulnerable position, I will extract every valuables from him and make him dry.
But boss, we need to assemble a loyal team of formidable men. Most of your old associates have moved on. What I think you need to do, we need a robust security details.
I have put all in motion. That is why I need Marcus. Valuables. All his valuables to set up my empires.
Smart one, sir.
What have you done?
I knew you would call. Let's discuss the terms of our business. This little demonstration will clarify my stance.
Do not hurt them. Tell me what you want and I'll give it to you.
I will ensure their safety. I will send you details of where to meet me.
I see you want to play this game with me. You have no idea who you're messing with. Fine then. Let's play. Bring it on. Olamide, where is my wife?
You have come prepared. What makes you think you can threaten me?
You are wasting my time. Where is my wife?
Even a blind man will notice the man standing behind you, holding a gun pointed at you. One more step, you are dead.
I'm giving you 10 seconds. Provide my wife, or I shoot you in the head.
Boss! Give me the right to finish him!
Get him down! Kill him!
Where's my wife?
Blade, I know say so many things they heavy you for your heart so. And if you don't tell us all these things, but we'll not believe you. Now don't they notice some kind movement for this house? And all these things started since where Mama travel. Eh? No. And now you see, this our boss. Can't they bring so many rules where person don't just understand? Hey, what if all these things? What did you say we will do? I did talk to you, Blade, now. Blade, see. Wait. See what I'll tell you. Blade, see. If you get any person where if you tell anything where they worry you for this house, now me be the right person. You know they say, it says this house they so. Now me be the main person where go they tell something, say, see what in the shop. You know why I talk so? You know, see our size. See me now, see you now. Our two we big, we gallant. You know?
Don't say anything, don't talk to anybody, just come with me.
I demand an explanation.
I said come with me, don't question me. Now! Close the door. This is your room now. This is where you'll be staying. Here.
Marcus.
Yes.
What's going on here? How come? What kind of a man are you? So you make wealth in the city, yet you forgot us in the village. Marcus, you were not like this. You were a caring and a loving husband. You care so much for us. So what happened? What happened? After making all this wealth, I have been suffering with you. I have supported you as a woman. So what else did you want from me? Why did Marcus, I'm asking you a question. Give me an answer.
You talk too much, this woman. Shut up! If you don't understand something, you ask questions. Not to be shouting at me, are you mad? Want me to shoot you in the head? You've been receiving 500,000 naira monthly. Who do you think has been sending it?
So it has been you?
Of course it's me. I've been doing it because I love my family. Because I do not joke with my family. I saw both of you at the POS stand. Yes. Listen. From now on, this is where you're going to stay. Okay? Keep a low profile. I do not want anybody to know you are my wife. Those people in the sitting room, you do not know them, they don't know you. You don't talk to them, they don't talk to you. It stays that way. Is that clear?
Yes.
I'll be sending you money from time to time. Keep a low profile.
Okay. Please, can you tell me? Marcus, as your wife, can you tell me what you really do? What are you into that is giving you this whole money? Look at your house. It's very big. I mean, it's an empire. How did you get this money? How did you make the money?
Fine. For old time's sake, I'll tell you. But you are going to swear. Swear that you will not tell anybody what I tell you. you will not breathe a word of what I tell you to anybody. Swear.
I swear. I swear.
Because if you go against it, woman, you have no idea the man I have become. Believe me. If you do, I will shoot you in the head. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, very clear, sir.
Are you sure that's your husband, Marcus?
I am finished. Amaka, I'm finished. I swear this is not Marcus. This is not how Marcus behaves. My caring and loving husband will not raise his hands on me. This is not Marcus. Something is really wrong somewhere. How?
It's okay.
Are we safe with the strangers in our midst? We demand to know who they are and their purpose in this house.
Are you questioning me?
Boss, not be saying they question you, eh? We need to know what they happen. I ain't gonna just carry me.
Let this be the last time. I speak and you people question me. Have you gone nuts? Psychos. Question me one more time, I'll buy 4 coffins this minute and bury 4 of you alive.
Amaka, I never knew you to be like this. You have changed. I don't see you like someone that supports evil.
Maybe. But this is different. Charity, we are on this together. I won't cross your husband, not after seeing what he is capable of. He killed the kidnapper without hesitation.
Amaka, that's not the issue here. My problem is that Marcus abandoned us in the village to marry this woman here. Are you not seeing a woman's picture in this room? This woman, you're seeing her picture right here, is Marcus' wife. And this woman is a prostitute. Can't you see her makeup? Can't you see everything about this woman is evil? This woman must have used something to take my husband away from me. I will teach her a lesson of her life. I will teach her a lesson so that next time, if she sees someone's husband, she will run away. She will not get close to that person's husband. Wait for me, I'm coming. Where is she?
Charity. Sit down.
Where is she?
Hey, let me tell you something. Let me beg you. I still love my life if you don't love yours. Yes, some things are better left unsaid. You better keep quiet though. Keep quiet. Please.
I should keep quiet for what?
I don't have strength for your husband.
I should keep quiet for what? So what are you trying to say? I should allow another woman take my husband away from me. Is that what you're trying to say?
That's not what I'm saying. But please, keep quiet.
So I should allow my husband. I should allow the woman, a prostitute at that, to take my husband away from me.
Are you not afraid of your husband?
No! Afraid of what? No, I have to meet her. I have to see her. She's not as beautiful as that. Oh!
Snake, to be honest, I don't longer understand Marcus and Blade for real. Especially Blade's sudden change in behavior. He was against Marcus, but all of a sudden he's not fully supportive to him. Where are all this coming from? It's confusing.
I've been thinking about it too, but could not figure out what is going on. I mean, Blade is jealous of Marcus. I think he dislikes him for taking his place.
You said your analysis, they confuse me.
Guys, chill. We need to keep ears on the ground. We need to be updated on what is going on around here. Yes?
Set is choke.
What is wrong with this woman? There's nothing here. Damn. No, I'm not gonna take this. This is shit. Shit! Excuse me, I'm coming. Madam, I don't understand. Madam, what is this? I don't understand. See, I can't see myself in this. What the hell is this? This is not what I ordered for.
I'm sorry.
No, you should be sorry because I've noticed that you failed to pay attention to details. This is rubbish.
I'm sorry, I must have mixed up someone's order.
Just get me my goods.
Okay.
So I can get out now. Damn. Madam, what? For God's sake, sanction me and to get better.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure this is the right consignment.
Yes. I'm sorry.
This is it?
I'm sorry about the mistake. Please.
Take care of this. I'm very, very careful next time.
I'm
okay?
Sorry. I'm sorry. Calm down. I'm sorry about the mistake. Please. Hey, what have I done to myself? How do I trace this woman?
Charity, why the serious face? You should be thrilled and happy.
House keys. I'll leave now. I've transferred some money into your account. Remember what I told you. You'll bring our children here. Keep a low profile. I do not want anybody to know you are my wife. Yes, I don't want anybody to know my family stays here. My business is delicate and dangerous. Listen carefully. Don't joke with the things I say. Keep a low profile. Soon I'll arrange a visa for you. You relocate to the UK with the children. Until then, no social media posts and you keep a low profile. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Charity. Charity. I thought you were upset.
I was upset.
So you have been pretending all this time.
Who doesn't appreciate good things?
You were.
This calls for celebration, my girl.
It does.
We have to celebrate it. Come here. You have to celebrate it.
Yes.
Hey!
To celebrate
my house.
it.
Member. Your boy don't come again, no.
Blaze, sit down. Sit down.
Thank you, Mama.
Eh? I know say this way you come my room this night, something dey sup. Wetin happen? Anytime when you enter my room like debit alert. Wetin happen?
Mama, you know how we be now. Your boy don't come. You know why I'm here.
Blade.
Just show me some love, Mama.
I know how much I gave you from the last deal. What are you doing with money, Blade? Tell me.
Mama's money full everywhere now. Eh? Boys go, they chop, they go, they jolly.
Blade, oh Blade. Sharp, oh Blade. You know I fuck with loyalty a lot.
Just like I've been loyal to you.
And I know how to repeat loyalty, you know.
I trust you, Mama.
Don't worry, I understand. No worry. No stress yourself. I know it's in the soul. No worry. It's Friday night, right?
Yes, Mama! Hey, I trust you.
So you know what's going to happen? You go come out outside, go find one shima. In fact, you go make am 2. Make am 3.
Mama, go pack them. I go pack them anyhow.
One go there for top. One go there middle. One go there down.
Wait! Come on! Me, I get the power to run anything now.
You go let them know say your mama na Delilah.
Of
and
course.
she do okay. She guard. She hold her side. Oh, you see her.
Chai, Mama, you be correct, woman. You see better currency. Mama.
Where on them and Sheba them? Where them there?
Mama, them they inside club now. All of them don't go. They don't they jolly.
You go meet them for that club. You go give them this one. Tell them say Mama say make them chop life.
Mama.
Make them chop life.
Chai!
You all are doing well. More than chop life.
Mama, you are the best. After you, now stay you. No one can replace you, Mama.
Yeah, they go.
Chai! I will always be loyal to you, Mama.
They go.
All right?
They go.
Mama, my God go bless you, eh?
No wahala.
Tonight. Mama, what is wrong? Where have you been? Why do I have this feeling that something is wrong somewhere? How do I even start to investigate?
Blade, what did they do for Mama's room? I see you as you just enter here. What did they do for here?
Sheba, is it not obvious that something terrible must have happened to Mama? Think about it. Ever since she left, she is yet to return.
Blade, na true you talk, oh. You know, say since when Mama come out, she never call anybody. We never hear from her. Something dey wrong. We need to investigate this matter. I dey tell you.
Exactly. We have to start investigation as soon as possible.
Na true you talk.
We must know her whereabouts.
Start talking. Can be of help to me. Stop! Don't waste my time. Who is your boss? Who is your boss? You don't want to talk.
Don't you think you're too pretty to be going through this kind of torture? The simple thing is, if you cooperate with me, I'll cooperate with you and possibly you can be out of this kind of torture. So the question is, who is your boss?
I won't say what to you!
Who is your leader? You think I'll get a joke? Who is the leader?
Repeat after me. As I drink from this calabash,
As I drink from this calabash,
I will never spill the secrets of this syndicate
I will never spill the secret of this syndicate
to anyone.
to anyone.
I will never go against this syndicate.
I will never go against this syndicate.
The day I do,
The day I do,
let the deity of Iyingene strike me dead.
let the deity of Iyingene strike me dead.
Drink. Swallow. Drop it. Call the next person.
You can subject me to any torment for all I care. But if I die in your hand, you will face the consequences. I pray I die in your hand after you must have exerted all your efforts, only to end up in nothing but to rot in prison. Beast!
Shut up! Listen. All we seek for here is truth and justice. Who is your boss? Who is your Tell me who your boss is.
I love this car.
Bad even no bad.
The latest combat.
The alarming rise in drug trafficking has prompted the governor to issue a stern directive to law enforcement agencies. The mandate is clear: a comprehensive crackdown on all forms of narcotics trade and related crimes. It is particularly distressing to note that minors are increasingly being lured into destructive wars, with devastating consequences. The state is grappling with a surge in mental health issues directly linked to substance abuse. It also appears that few apprehended have refused to reveal leaders of the syndicate, perhaps because of the ancient oath they took. The governor has assured the public that his administration would take decisive action to combat the menace and restore safety and peace in the society.
You see? Yeah. Ekene, you are living large. You have bought a new car. You have also got a new apartment. A life to desire. Is it still this our Gary business?
My brother Ben, relax. Understand? God's favor has been on me. And I'm grateful to God Almighty for making me who I am today. Now, Baba God the runner.
Anyway, I'm happy for you. But it's very hard to believe that you're making it big. So if there is something you are doing, you're not telling me, I'm your man, or you tell me.
My brother, you don't need to worry yourself. God will bless you too. And I promise you, your friend, they promise you. God will bless you too.
Watch your ball.
Just keep pushing forward. One day your hustle will pay. Okay?
We are together first.
Can you get now?
Wait, let me call him, please.
Try calling him.
He's not also taking my calls. Be like say Kasala don't post.
Hey, why is he avoiding our call? You need to be aware of this latest development. What is all this now? Call him.
Hold on, I just got a message from him. He's aware of the news flash, and he assures our empire is secure. He believes that we are untouchable. You can imagine that.
What got into our boss? He's just being reckless.
Now this tsunami waiting blade they fear. Eh? He has never wanted him to expand our operation. Not with all these small children when don't go put. Now we're there at risk. What's be all this thing now?
This is a disaster. I mean, when Mama was in charge, we never faced this kind of threat. I'm terrified of the consequences.
The damage has been done. Yes. What we need to do right now is to find a way to protect our empire and ourselves. If the empire falls, we all fall with it. So we have to do everything within our power to protect and safeguard our empire. We must work together to achieve this.
Blade, you are 100% right. We are no longer safe.
How are you? Hey. Yes! It is time to show my fans that I'm back home.
Charity, stop. Think about what you are doing. Yes. Your husband warned you to keep a low profile. And here you are flaunting your wealth on social media.
And what is the point of having money if I can share my money to the world to see? I need my haters to know that, especially those back in the village, to know that I am now a big girl.
Charity.
Come on, I can actually use this phone, you know?
Stop it.
Hello, fans.
Charity, you are dragging unnecessary attention.
Look at my friend.
Stop
She's
it.
always been there for
I'm
me.
not
Come
interested.
on.
Charity.
Hello.
Stop it. Stop it. Can you just stop this? Stop it. Your husband's enemies could use this against you. Think about that. Huh?
And who said that? Who said that?
You have to be very careful.
Careful about what? I want to tell them how successful I am. So what is there? No one is using it against me. Why are you like this? Oh, I need to tell them I needed to see all of this now. What is this? Look at my new dresses. I needed to see it. I forgot to tell you this. A modeling company has offered me a contract to model their designs, and they'll pay me 6 million naira. So I'll be seeing them soon for the photo shoot.
Charity, be cautious. Modeling agencies don't usually offer a contract without a thorough vetting. I would advise you to do a research on this company thoroughly to avoid potential scam.
Amaka, your cautious approach is holding you back. Amaka, can't you see my growing popularity on Facebook? My followers are increasing every second of the day. And that's how the company saw my engagement and decided to contract me to model for their company. So I'm going to be seeing them soon to finalize the deal. Yes.
Where is she? Where is that useless woman? Where is she? That stupid woman, are you drunk? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Huh? Did I warn you? I said no social media posts, no social media engagement. What's wrong with you? You want to jeopardize your life and the life of our children? Huh? No more. Do not push me to the wall. I'm giving you 1 hour. In fact, 30 minutes. Can you answer me? Answer me! I said no more social media. I'm giving you 30 minutes. 30 minutes, delete all posts on social media and no more engagement from you. Can you hear me? One more post, I will take all our children from you and I'll put you away for good. No more. My friend, answer me. Make sure she understands what I just said.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. I've talked to her, sir. Charity, you have seen how serious he is. I'm afraid I will never deceive you. I will advise you do what he said though. Do as he said and be happy.
I grossly underestimated Marcus, despite being shot multiple times. But it seems the bullet didn't face him. I had no idea he would fortify himself both physically and spiritually. I thought the concept of a bulletproof charm was a mere fantasy. Something you will find in Nollywood films. But with what I witnessed, I am a believer. I know better now.
It's very hard to fathom. We need to explore another strategy to put him down. Marcus is very deadly and dangerous. We need to be fast putting him down.
Oh, I always have a contingency plan. If he thinks he's prepared for one thing, then let's see how he fares against another. Don't worry. I have a surprise in store for him. Marcus. Marcus!
How dare you? What is wrong with all of you? How dare you question me? Have you gone nuts? Huh? I am the leader. Whatever I say stands. My word is law. Haven't I been gracious to all of you? I've increased your salaries. I pay you 3 times more than what your former boss used to pay you. And you're not grateful. Let this be the last time you question me. Can you hear me? Very last time. I made it clear to you I know exactly what I'm doing. I've done this for years. I know what I'm doing. There are no risks. When I say it, you trust me. I am your boss. When I ask you to jump, you say, boss, how high? Let this be the last time you question me. The very last time you disrespect me. Hold on.
Dude, what is that?
I just got a message. Hold on. Oh my God. Just look at this.
Let me see. Hey.
Let me see. So, Bosobi, they tell us the truth. Get spiritual protection when we're not there aware of.
Now I understand why he's fearless. Perhaps it's time he needs to share protection with us.
But the question is, who sent this to me?
Did if you ask me, where I go ask?
I don't know.
me. Please. Please don't kill me. Hello, how do I look, baby girl? Check me out. And I have to update my fans.
Charity, please, reconsider this appointment. I'm begging you for your own safety. Please.
Amaka.
Yes?
I don't understand you. Okay, let me ask you this question. Okay. Why are you trying to be a hindrance to me? And let me ask you another question. Are you enemy of my progress?
No, I'm not.
Then if you're not, I do not need this negative energy around me. I told you about my dreams. And this opportunity feels right.
But I don't feel right about it. Remember the dream I had the other day, which I told you. Please, I sense danger.
Amaka, do not try to stop me. Listen, I want to show to Marcus that I can do with or without him. And I swear to God, if I make this money...
Please listen to me. For the sake of your husband.
What? What did I just hear you say?
For the sake of your husband.
Which husband? What useless husband? Listen, as far as I'm concerned, there is nothing like husband. The barn is nowhere to be found. The only thing that is left here in my life is the horse. And listen good. Want to start earning this money from endorsement, from different brands, different company. I will, you know what I will do? I will build a very strong brand for myself. Then I will divorce my husband. That's not all. Hold on. You want to hear more? I will create a public sympathy through my social media platform that my husband, my so-called husband, does not support our children, even though I know he does. I am not done. Calm down. Put yourself together. Let me be true. Then I will create a platform for my fans to criticize him. Yes. And also expose his secret alleged wife and his drug business.
Charity.
Then, in totality, I will destroy him completely.
Are you this heartless?
Oh yes. So excuse me. Do not stand on my way again. Excuse me. I forgot. My fans. I have to give them this video, this update. Hello fans. As you can see, I'm about to step out to finalize the contract I told you guys about. I'm going to update you guys as soon as the contract is sealed. Trust me on it. Stay put and pray for me. Wish me well. I need your comment on this comment section. See you. Bye.
Charity.
My
goodness. Where's my phone? Hello, Mr. Marcus. Please, you need to stop your wife. I don't feel right about this contract. Please, do everything within your power to stop her, please. Okay. Hey. God, please protect her.
Hello? Why have you been avoiding my calls? Why did you send that video to me? I want to know how you got my number. Why did you share that video with me?
So many questions at once. Calm down, Blade. Sometimes, destiny reveals hidden truth at its own time. Your worries and curiosity will soon be uncovered. Keep this conversation private. You never know, the answers might come your way. Have a great day.
Come in. The door is open.
Oh, wow. Charity. Hi. You look stunning.
Wow, thank you.
Oh. Turn around.
Okay, I'll do just that.
Oh, this is good. Oh my goodness. So, you are perfect for the contract.
Really? I'm glad you approve it.
Of course. Let's proceed. But make yourself comfortable.
Thank
Let
you.
me come
I'll do
right
just
now.
Whoa, what do we have here?
What's going on here? What?
One more word from you, you are dead.
Get down!
Shut the head out very well.
Do not touch me.
Step back! Now!
Please spare my life. Please don't kill me. Please, I beg you.
I've been expecting your call. I understand you have my wife. What's your aim?
You are well informed. Do you have a magic mirror to monitor everything?
Of course I do. I monitor virtually everything. That's why I'm Don Marcus. Go straight to the point. Why did you kidnap my wife?
You know what the game stake says. Any disobedience from you, she is dead.
Put my wife on. I want to speak to her.
You have no right to give me orders. I'm in charge here. Now, talk to your bastard husband.
Okay. Speak! Okay. Sweetheart. Please. Spare my life. Don't let them kill me. Please. I know you have the money to make them release me. Please do it for me. Please, I beg you. Don't let them kill me. Don't let them kill me.
Oh, really? Really? So now I'm your sweetheart, huh? You didn't remember that when you were making life miserable for me? Huh? Your ignorance and stupidity led me into this dirty business. You know that, right?
I love, please. I am truly sorry from the depth of my heart. I am sorry about everything I made you go through in the past. I am sorry, please. Help me spare my life. I'm begging you in the name of God. Please.
I do not need your apology, and I will not rescue you. Let them kill you. Yes. After that, they will harvest your organs and sell to organ harvesters. That should teach you a lesson.
Is it? What did you just say?
You heard me. I said, let them kill you.
No, please.
I believe the phone is on speaker, right? Your kidnapper should hear me. Anti-kidnapper. Can you hear me? I said, kill my wife. Kill her. I do not need her alive. She's useless to me. Kill her. Waste her. You heard me. If you do not have the contact of organ harvesters, let me know. I'll send it to you. Waste her. Do not waste my time. Do it immediately. But just know this. I am coming for you. Yes. Run as much as you want. Run as fast as you want. Hide wherever you want to hide. I will get you. And when I catch you, I will cut you into little pieces and bury you right in my compound. You and your entire lineage.
No. He has ended the call. Shut up.
Can't hear her. Shut up.
Okay, wait. I have an idea. I know how you're going to get to my husband, please. I know you. I know the ways you can get to my husband. Please, hear me out. Please hear me out. Okay. Let's use my children to track my husband. Yes, he loves our children more than anything in this world. Let's use our children as a bet in order to get to him. I promise you, I'll be the one to pull the trigger to his call. Trust me on this, please. Trust me and spare my life. I'm begging you, trust me.
No. Listen. Don't joke with us. Okay? If you try any stupid attempt, your life will be no more. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm bringing them to the location you specified. Yes, the taxi is on its way. We'll be safe, sir. Okay, sir. Precious! What is keeping you there? Hurry up! Hurry up, let's go. Okay? Let's go.
Mommy. Mom, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Where have you been? What is going on?
Nothing. I'm fine, Mommy, sir. And where are you taking my children to?
Your husband said you have been kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
Yes.
But I'm fine. I'm safe. I'm okay. And I want to ask you this question. I need an honest answer from you. What is your involvement with my husband? Nothing. It's better you mind your business and stop interfering in matters that will cost your life. Come, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, should I call him back?
I love that name. Jezebel.
What is wrong with you? I told you. Why did you let her leave with them? Why?
He who laughs last, laughs best.
I knew it. I knew it. I sensed it. I knew this was a trap. I knew this was a trap to get me.
You thought you had the upper hand? I will send you the location to meet with your precious children. It feels good. Wow.
Guy, what happened? Yeah? What happened? Can you have been blowing up my phone. What really happened? Why didn't you come to the shop today? Or don't tell me you're tired of the business already.
Yes, I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. Both of us are doing the same business. But yet I'm broke, bro. You're making it big time. What would it cost you to show me how all this thing comes about? Eh? If you're great and I'm great, will it take anything from you?
So Ben, like seriously, this is why you called me telling me you're in trouble. You pulled me out from my shop just for this. Listen, Ben, those who help themselves get helped. Remember, keep pushing and one day your hustle will pay off. But remember, no food for a lazy man. Stop it.
Soon enough we will know now. Alright. Soon enough we will know now. We will know. If only this garri business when me and you they do, now they bring all this money where they ravish like this, we gonna know. Show me, you know what show me. You want the no wahala now, we there together. We there together.
The guy. Okay, I'm very, very sure that this guy is a notorious criminal. The way this guy spend money,
He spent money beyond his end. Officer, I'm even sure that this guy is into kidnapping work and other kind of crime work. Officer, you need to take care of this guy. Look for him. Oh my God. Officer, what are you doing now? Check this guy.
Ben, are you mad? This is jealousy for crying out loud. You're actually jealous of me because I'm doing better than you. Please, officer, we can discuss this.
Discuss what?
My hands are clean.
Over what?
I don't know what this guy is talking about. Please.
You think you can bribe me?
Please.
Officer, search that shop.
Yes, sir.
Search it, search it.
Search the shop.
Search everywhere. How can we be doing garri business and you are buying a car, building a
What?
house?
Evidence proven.
See.
Search.
Ben, you. I don't come here, bro. I don't come here. This guy is into something bad. I don't come. Oh. Carry that guy. Carry. Hey. Please, officer.
Hey, let's go.
Please. You bet. I tell you. I tell you. I told you that you carry business, build passion, carry business.
What did you say you want to tell? Go ahead, I'm all ears. Say.
Officer, I will talk.
Go ahead. Say whatever you know about him.
Officer, I will talk.
Go ahead.
But I'm afraid of the consequences. If I say everything, I will die. Because I took an oath.
Pick up the calabash. Repeat after me. As I drink from this calabash.
As I drink from this calabash,
I will never spill the secrets of this syndicate.
I will never spill the secrets of this syndicate.
To anyone.
I
will never go against this syndicate.
I will never go against the syndicate.
The day I do.
Let
the deity of Iyingene strike me dead.
Let the deity of Iyingene strike me dead.
Drink. Swallow. Drop it. Call the next person.
Don't worry, with me you're very much protected. You're covered. Just tell me everything you know about him, his whereabouts, and possibly his address. You are protected, I promise you. Go ahead.
His name is Marcus.
Okay. What about?
He's a ruthless drug lord leading a syndicate.
Okay.
He's said to have spiritual power and charms for protection.
Okay.
He usually overpowers everyone against him. He stays at number 4 Delilah's Avenue.
Are you alright? What is it? Are you okay?
Daddy, please save us. No, us again. Dad, yes, please save us. Please save us. Dad, please save us.
Marcus, you are finally here.
Have you gone mad? I'm asking you, Charity, have you gone mad? How can you jeopardize the life of our children just to get to me?
What do you expect when you told them to kill me and sell my body parts to organ harvesters? Now it is time for me to take joy in killing you.
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
Stupid woman. After all you made me go through. Because of you, I got involved in this dirty business. You dare point a gun at me? Motherfucker.
Mr. Marcus.
Ah! No! Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah!
Marcus, my darling. Long time no see. Surprised? You thought I was going to be mad till death, but miracle happened.
Nothing is impossible in this world, Mr. Marcus. Well, we play the first one on you.
Driver, stop. Stop. Is that not my friend, Delilah? Oh my goodness. Go back. What happened to Delilah?
I bring this deal to your table because I need your expertise. It's a very big one. You already know. If it's not big, Delilah is not part of it. You're going to love it. So what do you say?
What's the sharing formula?
Marcus. Still the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow. 80-20.
60-40.
Okay. 70-30.
Deal.
That's the spirit. To you. To us.
Delilah, my friend. Delilah. Come on.
I was so blind. How did I fall into his trap? Why didn't I listen to Blade? But it's not late. I will definitely exert my revenge.
We need to devise a plan to take him down as soon as possible.
I blame myself. I saw the warning signs. I mean, it wasn't just a red flag. It was a fucking big, bold, red banner. But my foolish love didn't let me think straight. Didn't let me use my head. What was I thinking? How could I have allowed myself to be manipulated by the nitwits? Why didn't I follow my instinct? I thought I was building a wealth empire with my dream man, you know. I thought I'd met my dream man, but I let him fuel my greed and my selfishness.
It's okay.
Little did I know that I was just a pawn in his fucking miserable game. I let him manipulate me into killing my associates.
It's okay.
My spiritual downfall began the moment I started killing those I transacted with. Oh, Dayo! It's Mustafa the Boo!
It's okay. Delilah, it's okay. Please, calm down. Please, calm down.
Muabu Delilah Jagoba.
Definitely.
I am definitely going to kill him.
Definitely.
Slowly. Painfully. Miserably. He's not going to go free. He won't. I won't let him go scot-free.
Delilah, it's okay. He won't.
I won't let him go scot-free.
It's okay. We'll definitely get him. Just have this. Dick, just calm your nerves down.
Fina, this is not my brand. Get me something you know I take, please. Let me have some kush, please.
Okay, I'll send for it then.
How is it possible that the bullet couldn't penetrate his body?
I'm trying to process it myself. I have a video from one of the witnesses from the crime scene.
Is this a skit or what? This This is not what I want to see, Fina. I want to see results. I need to see him set feet down. And I won't rest until I get the justice that I deserve.
Delilah, please calm down. We are in this together. Okay? From what we have gathered, Marcus is well prepared. And he has expanded your former empire even to the local level without thinking the risk. He is becoming increasingly ruthless and dangerous. So we need to strategize carefully before we can take him down.
In that case, we activate Code Plan B. We need to target his loved ones. Those he care about will be the leverage we have over him. And that way, we'll have him glitched in our trap.
I have another good news for you. Blade is with me. But I don't want to reveal your identity to him yet. But I know for sure he wants Marcus out of your empire as soon as possible.
Blade, oh blade, blade, oh sharp, oh blade, my blade. I've always known that Blade will do everything and anything to keep my empire protected.
Sure.
This is good news.
Yeah.
This is good news.
Good news.
I'm glad to hear.
That's why I said relax. Calm down.
Marcus, my hatred for you has been burning inside me for so long. I have always wanted to destroy you, but tonight, I will be the most happiest man to watch your downfall.
Make it quick. You're wasting my time. Shoot me.
You lie. At least not so fast. You will be alive begging for death to come. But Mr. Death will be so far away from you. Mwabu Delilah. Jaguba. Mabuga Fuono. And as for your children, you will never set your eyes on them again.
Freeze! It might interest you to know that this environment has been surrounded by my men already. So I'll advise you personally to cooperate with us. So drop your guns! Drop your guns! Drop your guns! Your hands on your head!